How to find high CPC keywords for blogging. Fast and easy. If you want to make serious money through blogging, then targeting high CPC keywords is a must. These are the keywords advertisers pay the most for, and with the right tools, they're not hard to find. Start with SEMrush. It's one of the best platforms to uncover high CPC keywords quickly. Once you log in, head over to the Keyword Magic tool and enter your niche, like finance, insurance, or real estate. Now sort the results by CPC. SEMrush instantly shows you keywords that pay $20, $50, or even $100 per click. The best part? You can also filter by keyword difficulty, so you can target high-paying terms that are actually possible to rank for. Next, use Keyword Overview to see the full picture, volume, trends, and SERP features. This helps you create blog content with both value and ranking potential. Before you write, analyze your competitors with Domain Overview. See which high CPC terms they're using and build something better. Join SEMrush for free using the link in the description and try it yourself. You don't need a paid plan to find golden keywords. With the free trial, you can unlock game-changing data that can boost your blog's revenue fast.